How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
Hi guys, today I'm here to show you some information so that you can get free courses, certification course for free. This is provided by Udemy. So top 5 free courses provided by Udemy. First one is Linux for Absolute Beginner. Get started with Linux, app development, server configuration, networking, and become a system administrator. Second one is JavaScript, Bootstrap, and PHP certification for beginner. A comprehensive guide for beginners interested in learning JavaScript, Bootstrap, and PHP. Second one is how to create a website, and HTML tutorial and CSS tutorial. Learn how to make website from a university professor in computer science with over 15 years of teaching experience. Fourth one is complete machine learning with RStudio ML for 2020, linear logistic regression, decision tree, XGBoost, SVM, other ML modules in our programming language RStudio. Fifth one is IoT Internet of Things crash course, or different IoT power and performance. Use ESP32 microcontroller to make IoT projects to unleash your creativity. So here you can use my coupons so that you will get 100% discount on these certification courses. So first of all, you have to do, just click on the certification course like this. It will redirect to the course. So you can see here is 525 rupees in Indian currency. So if you want to get free, just apply coupon from here. So back from here, copy coupon from here, open a new tab. Just go to the apply coupon, paste it here and apply. So you will get free course. Here you can say this is free, and enroll as soon as possible because only 11 hours left at this price. And you can do and see second course also like this. Just copy coupon from here. My coupon is this coupon will provide you 100% discount. So this is JavaScript. Here is 525 rupees, but after you apply this my coupon, you will get 100% discount. See, free. Enroll as soon as possible. This is absolutely free for you. 12 hours left. So in all these courses you will get 100% discount. Just visit on my blog, so you will get top 5 free courses for free. Use my all coupons and get 100% discount. Only 12 hours left, so you can get this course as soon as possible. Thank you, and just let me know that what you want to know more about how to solve problems, and if you have any queries, you can ask me in comment below. Please subscribe. Thank you.